With our sector knowledge and on-the-ground relationships, Standard Bank understands the challenges facing manufacturers today. Together with our trade team, we assist our manufacturing clients to identify alternative suppliers, de-risk cross-border financial transactions with new trading partners, and provide supply chain finance. Weathering tough operating conditions has become the norm rather than the exception for South Africa's manufacturers. Manufacturers are continuing to progress towards global environmental sustainability, green energy and emerging technologies, making operational changes across their value chains. Supply chain finance disruptions remain top concern for manufacturers. Manufacturers looking to gain and maintain competitive advantage will have to grow their IT infrastructure investment in 2023. Progressive manufacturers are making investment into laying the technology foundation for their smart factories and investing in disruptive technologies such as augmented reality, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, additive manufacturing, and advanced analytics. Manufacturers are also looking to local opportunities as Africa focuses on becoming less reliant on international community. We offer our clients in-depth sector and regional expertise, specialist capabilities and access to global markets for transactional banking, trading and funding support. The cost of power outages to South African manufacturers cannot be overstated. Lost materials and time-consuming recovery efforts, mounting labor costs due to idle factory floors, and the need for overtime to meet output targets, delayed order fulfillment and the subsequent risk of losing clientele. While there are numerous advantages to using solar power, solar PV installations are not without their risks. For those unfamiliar with industrial installations, it can be difficult to accurately assess the energy and infrastructure needs, evaluate quotes, compare component specifications, determine the quality of the proposed technological and warranties, screen suppliers and determine costs versus expected returns. PowerPulse Solution is a digital platform that enables business to cut through the fog, navigate the complex process of commercial solar PV installations with ease by delivering an end-to-end technical, legal and funding solution.